Hello guys, welcome to my channel Koni Kundi. So today I am here to unbox my new SG Bat Killer Spark with you guys. So without wasting any time, let's unpack this amazing bat. Budget under 2000 rupees. It's just awesome, amazing and just awesome. So without wasting any time, let's open. I purchased this from Amazon and this is a short handle bat. It cost me around 1800 rupees and I just love this bat. The cover is, I can say, is not so good and not so bad. It's average. So let the cover down. First of all, just see this. Just look at the grains of the bat. Just look at this. Let's count the grains. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12 grains in this budget bat. Can you believe it? I don't think you will. Just look at the profile, man. Just look at the profile. You get a big edge profile bat under 2000 rupees. And obviously there is a sign of KL Rahul. There is Believe Become and obviously a SG logo. I just love this bat, and also the quality of the grip is awesome. And you get 3 rubberized strips, as you can see, and there is a branding of Believe Become, and here is written Killer Spark. And I love the profile and the grains, and just look at the clear grains you have. Look at the face of the bat. Just increase your volume and sound the ping. It's awesome, right? So without wasting any time, just get the ball and play some shots. Ta-da! So here you can see the ping of the bat.